Welcome to our science class. Learning target. I can identify changes happen on materials. Okay, so what is a matter? So when we say matter, it is anything that has mass and occupies space. It can be solid, liquid, or gas. So why do you think matter undergo changes? So first, change is happening all around us all of the time. Just as chemists have classified elements and compounds, they have also classified types of changes. Changes are either classified as physical or chemical changes. Okay, can you tell me what do you think is the difference between these two GIF? Okay. So when we say physical change, it happens when a substance changes, but no new substance is formed. Physical changes happen when the state of a substance changes. For example, melting, evaporation, freezing, or condensing, or when a substance is crushed, ground, or cut into smaller pieces. The appearance of matter changes in physical change, but its chemical identity remains the same. Meaning to say, when we say physical change, it changes, but then it doesn't form into a new substance. Example, crushing a can, melting an ice cube, boiling water, mixing sand with water, breaking glass, dissolving sugar in water, shredding paper, chopping wood, mixing green and red marbles, and sublimation of dry ice. So these following examples are just changed into its physical attraction or physical phase, but then it doesn't form into a new substance. Next, we have chemical change. So a chemical change occurs whenever a new substance forms. The easiest way to identify a physical change is to rule out the possibility of a chemical change. There may be several indications that a chemical reaction has occurred. Example of chemical change: iron rusting, burning wood, metabolism, cooking an egg, baking a cake, electroplating, roasting banana, vinegar and baking soda mixture, fireworks, chemical battery. So what are the indicators of chemical change? So first, it can produce a new substance. Second, changes in temperature, and also it produces light. And third, change in color or odor. So let's have a practice. So we're just going to identify if it is physical or chemical change. So first, paper becomes ashes. Okay, chemical change. Why chemical change? Because there is a burning involved. So the paper formed into a new substance, which is it became now an ash. Next, milk curdles. Okay, this is also a chemical change because the taste of the milk is formed into new substance. Ice to water. So here, melting is now included. So melting, if it melts, automatic it is physical change. Ripening of fruits, it's a chemical change. Clay molded into pots, also a chemical change, physical change, sorry. Metal rust, chemical change. Okay, so that is all about our physical and chemical change lesson. So our learning target again, I can identify changes happen on materials.